This video is how to repair rotten wood, like on window ledges. Yeah, it really don't matter, any kind of rotten wood. I've dug out all the rotten places and let it dry completely. This is a stained window. It's on the back of a house. The customer did not want to replace everything. So what I'm going to do, and I've done this for years and never had a problem, is I've gotten fiberglass resin, dug all the rotted places out, mixed the fiberglass resin up. There's a fiberglass resin with the hardener in it and just a cheap paintbrush. Then I come in, take the paintbrush and the resin, brush it all up in the fibers. And when this fiberglass resin sets up, you got to make sure to get every fiber and then outside the edges of it also. When this fiberglass resin sets up, you can put regular fiberglass, kitty hair they call it, short strand fiberglass. You can fill it in with that. Then that's sandable to somewhat. You need to try to get it as close as you can without having to sand it, because it's very hard to sand. But after this sets, what it does is it takes like an hour to set. It will soak into the wood fiber hairs. When it dries, it just hardens. It's a complete shell. You do not have to worry about water or anything else getting back in these spots again. I fixed places 5 years ago that were even more rotten than this, and they still look perfect today. I have tried to just fix them with Bondo, like I was told by some other painter and stuff. That never worked. The squirrels eat it out and they just fall apart because the water still kept getting in there. This is the only way I found that never lets go. Where I found this out was there was a Jesus boat documentary where Israel had found a boat that was from Jesus' time. What they were doing is using a resin just like this to let the water out from around the boat so it wouldn't disintegrate, and replaced it with a resin just like fiberglass resin, just like this is. And they said it'll be around for, well, supposedly forever with the resin in there, because it won't disintegrate. So that's where I got the idea from, but it 100% works. I've done it for over 5 years now. Keep going back and working on stuff around the stuff I did 5 years ago. Do more windows and stuff, more doors, and never had a problem. So I just figured I would share this. Thank you.